This video will show you the Google OAuth grant process along with the usage of restricted scopes within the CustomerFactor.com functionality. In other words, we'll show you how to authorize the CustomerFactor.com with your Gmail account so that the CustomerFactor.com can send email on your behalf to your prospects and customers via your Gmail account. So let's start off by logging into your account with the CustomerFactor.com. After logging in, you can visit the Custom Email Setup screen under My Account and Email Options. On this screen, you would select Google Gmail from the drop-down, and then click the Authenticate with Gmail button. That takes you to a screen where you can log into your Gmail account. After doing this, you'll see a screen asking you for permission to allow the CustomerFactor.com to connect and access your Gmail account. Again, you are authorizing the CustomerFactor.com to send emails on your behalf to your prospects and customers. This is done through Gmail SMTP. We do not read or edit or delete your emails or access your Gmail account in any other way. So your Gmail account will only be used to send emails to your contacts within the CustomerFactor.com account. No other user of the CustomerFactor.com can access your Gmail account, and we do not share your information with any other software. This information can also be found on our privacy policy page. Or if you're not logged into your account, you can find it on the page of the CustomerFactor.com, also in the footer. Okay, so after giving permission to the CustomerFactor.com to access your Gmail account, you can then send any emails you want to using your Gmail address as the from email address. So you can send invoice emails, estimate emails, general customer emails, payment reminder emails, etc., etc. So here's an estimate email window. Where you can see the Gmail address that you just authorized. Or maybe you want to send a general prospect email. Again, you can see the Gmail address you just authorized. Same thing with the emailing invoices. As you can see, here is the Gmail address that was previously authorized. All emails sent from the CustomerFactor.com to your contacts will be available in the Sent folder in your Gmail account. If you have multiple Gmail accounts and want to use different sender emails, depending on whether you're sending estimates, invoices, payment reminders, and general emails, you can authorize the CustomerFactor.com to more than one Gmail account. Maybe you want invoices being sent from one specific Gmail address and estimates being sent from another Gmail address, for example. So after authorizing the CustomerFactor.com to additional Gmail addresses, you'll then be able to pick which Gmail address you want to use when sending the email, like you can see here. The last thing to mention is that any email sent from the CustomerFactor.com will always contain an unsubscribe link at the bottom of the email so that the recipient can unsubscribe if they want to. Let's take a look at an invoice email I sent earlier so you can see what it actually looks like. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you inside the CustomerFactor.com.